Hey, take a look at this beautiful apartment in Poblado, Medellin. It has such a beautiful view, it's surrounded by nature. You will feel like so peaceful and also close to the best places, best restaurants. You can walk around. You have this pool, have the gym, and big working area where you can just relax or have your meetings, work. It's a great place to stay in Medellin. Please check our Airbnb reservation. It's very easy. We wait for you here.